Hi everyone. As you know that there are certain activities that the BA has to perform. So today I am going to focus on only on the requirement gathering aspect. So you know that there are multiple techniques to gather requirement, right? So I'm going to focus on some of the techniques which are very relevant nowadays, and you will be able to understand how to gather requirements. So before you start gathering the requirement from the customer, you need to understand that there are some preparation you have to make before you go ahead and start gathering the requirements. It's not that necessarily that easy that you will go to the customer and ask them for the requirement they will give you. No, it doesn't work that way. So what are the preparation you have to make before you go and start gathering the requirements? So you have to think about the particular approach for requirement gathering. For example, you are going to the you are going to the data guide. Okay, so they are going to provide you the data requirement. Like suppose you can go ahead and have the discussion with them how they are going to provide you the requirement. If they say that, I have some specific documentation for the data mapping or data dictionary that I can provide you, you just have a look at it and then you can ask me question. So basically here you are going to apply document analysis kind of requirement gathering approach. Okay. Second approach, I can provide you example that you go to the finance team and then they say that I don't have anything specific to share with you, but what you can do, you can schedule a meeting, you can come up with your questions, I'll give you all the information that you need. So here basically you are going to apply questionnaire technique. Go to the HR department, they say that I don't have any documentation, I can answer your questions also. So what you can do, why don't you come tomorrow morning and observe what we do throughout the day? So basically what they're asking you to do is to observe them. So basically you are going to apply observation technique for requirement gathering. So these are three examples that I have quoted right now. There are many other techniques that we apply to gather requirements from the customer. So it all depends in which situation what technique you are going to apply. Okay, and based on that you can decide about your next step. So not necessarily that in the primary meeting or primary approach will be absolutely successful. There might be situation that you have to mix different approaches to get one type of requirement. Like as I said that the data guy was providing you enough documentation, but still that may not be sufficient. So after you go through the document, you analyze the document, you may come up with additional questions related to the document, and for which you go ahead and schedule another meeting with the data guy and ask additional questions. So basically you are going to apply two different techniques to gather the same requirement, right? So that being said, I just wanted to give you some idea about how we go and gather requirements. So this is a very basic level, information that I'm sharing with you. So you can think about many other approach. You can also Google that. There are many other approach that we apply. You will get some idea about what are the preparations you have to take before you go ahead and gather requirement, and in which situation which technique is applicable. That's all I just wanted to discuss about this requirement gathering technique. Thank you.